How to fix Snapchat camera rotate problem. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're getting issue with the camera orientation or rotation of Snapchat, you may follow up these steps. So first of all, when you head over and open up the app, you should be finding this particular interface on your screen. So in the very top of your screen, you should be finding a rotate option. When you tap on it, it basically flips over, switches over to back camera or front camera, depending on the camera that you're using. So if this method is not working, the method is you can basically try doing so once or twice. And if that doesn't work, close your app completely. And then you can try opening up the application again and see if that works. Apart from that, sometimes a simple restart of your own device should also work. So press on your power button and a restart option appears on your screen. Tap on it and basically restart your device and try opening up the application again. Apart from that, you can basically try ahead and try clearing cache and cookies of the app. Long press on the app, go to the info section, and from there, you may scroll down from the given options and look for storage option. After that, look out for clear cache option and tap on it. And go ahead and clear the cache of your Snapchat, and that should also help you. And see if that works. Apart from that, sometimes updating an app should also help because not updating an app to the latest version can cause such kind of glitches. So look out for Play Store option if you're on Android. After that, go to the search, and once you're in the search, go to the top and search for Snapchat. And once you find it up, if there is any kind of update available for your particular application, just head over and update your app to the latest version, and that should help you fix the issue. And at last, you can try uninstalling the application and again reinstalling as well. And that's it. For now, you may try out this methods available and see if that fixes the camera rotate problem. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.